आज तुम्हारा भाई heavy engineering करेगा।
In today's video, I'll show you how to easily build a functional security alarm using a PIR motion sensor. The main component of this project is the PIR motion sensor, which can detect human movement very effectively. First, we'll set up the circuit on a breadboard by following the circuit diagram. For your convenience, I'll provide the circuit diagram in the video description so you can easily follow along. Here, we've used a BC547NPN transistor, which works as a switch and signal amplifier. We also used a 470 microfarad 16-volt capacitor to help maintain a stable voltage in the circuit. If you look closely at the PIR motion sensor, you'll notice two potentiometers. One controls the delay time, and the other adjusts the motion sensitivity. You can fine-tune these according to your needs. There's also a jumper that allows you to select between single trigger mode and continuous trigger mode. After completing all the connections, we'll neatly place the entire circuit inside a box. For longer backup, we used a 6-volt rechargeable battery, and to charge it safely, we added a TP4056 charging module. Finally, it's time to test. As soon as the PIR sensor detects any movement in front of it, the alarm or siren will start sounding instantly, making it a very effective security solution. That's how you can easily build your own smart security alarm at home.